students, graphical method completed. Now we'll go for the algebraic methods. Okay, algebraic methods we have totally three. First one is substitution method, and second one elimination method, and third one cross multiplication method. First one substitution method, elimination method, cross multiplication method. As per the new syllabus, we don't have this one now. We have to study substitution method and elimination method. Here finally what is the conclusion is we have to find x and y variables finally. In even graphical method, in algebraic methods, same only. We have to find x value and y value. Okay, first I'll explain today substitution method. Okay, the given equation solved. Okay, solved by substitution method, that is 7x minus 15y is equal to 12 and x plus 2y is equal to 3. Equation 1, this one, and this as equation 2 is selected. From this substitution method, what is the meaning of substitution? Means replacing in the place of x, y, or in the place of y, x. That is up to you. You can take anything. Okay, substituting 1. Here, suppose from equation 2, I am selecting here. Equation 2, x value find out. X is equal to 2y transpose right side will become 3 minus 2y. X is equal to what is here? 3 minus 2y. This x value substitute in equation 1 in the place of x. We are substituting in the place of x. Okay, write it. From equation 1, what is x value? X value substitute in the place of x. X value we are substituting. Okay, write it. 7 into x value, what is here? 3 minus 2y and 15y no change, minus 15y is equal to 2. Multiply 7 3s are 21, 7 2s are 14y and 15y no change is equal to 2. Now 21 take right side, minus 14 and minus 15. It is minus 29y is equal to 2 minus 21. 21 transposing right side, then 2 minus 21 it is. Now minus 29y is equal to 2 minus 21, that is minus 19. Minus cancel, then y is equal to what is? 19 by 29. Y value done now. Okay, now find x value. Here we know already x is equal to what is? 3 minus 2y. Just substitute in the place of y. Y value is 19 by 29. Apply here. From this, x is equal to 3 minus 2 into y value, what is? 19 by 29. 19 by 29. Multiply 19 2s are 38 by 29. 29 is a LCM again here. 29 3s are 29 into 3 minus 38. Multiply 3 9s are 27. 2 is up. 3 2s are 6 plus 2. 87 minus 38 by 29. Subtract these two. 87 minus 38. 17 minus 8, that is 9, and 7 minus 3, 4. What is answer? 49 by 29. Then the what is value? This one, x value. Therefore x is 49 by 29 and y is what is? 19 by 29. That is the solution of a x and y. What is the method we are learning now? First one, substitution method. In the place of x, we are applying. That is, you can take up to you. That is, you can find the y value also from this. Any equation you select 1 or 2. That is up to you only. We are substituting in the place of x or y. Substituting. Now, students, in the substitution method, I will go for 3.3. Second question, I will explain how to do. The remaining you have to do. 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. And next one, 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24 given. these two equations given. Also y is equal to mx plus 3 and then find m value. Means what we have to do, using the substitution method we have to find x and y values. The two values substitute here, then you get m. Okay. Now from this as 1 and this as 2, select equation 1 and equation 2. Okay. Now I'll go for this first equation. From equation 1, x value find out. 2x is equal to 11 minus 3y. Then x is equal to 11 minus 3y by 2. This is the x value. This x value substitute in 2. X value substitute in equation 2. Okay, apply this. 2 into what is here? 11 minus 3y by 2 minus 4y, no change, is equal to minus 24 also same. Cancel this 2 2. What is remaining? 11 minus 3y minus 4y is equal to minus 24. 11 transpose right side, minus 3y minus 4y. This minus 7y is equal to minus 24 minus 11. Then minus 7y is equal to minus 24 minus 11. It is minus 35. Minus cancel. Then y is equal to 35 by 7. Cancel. 7, 5. Then what is the y value here? Y is equal to 5. This y value substitute here again. We know x value. X is equal to what is? 11 minus 3y by 2. Substitute here. X is equal to 11 minus 3 into what is y value? 5 by 2. 11 minus 3 5s are 15 by 2. 11 minus 15. What is answer? Minus 4 by 2. Cancel 2s are. X is equal to what is here? Minus 2. X value minus 2 and y value is 5. Completed substitution method. But what is the condition is given? Y is equal to mx plus 3. Using this we have to find m value. Apply both the values here. What is given? Y is equal to mx plus 3. Y is equal to mx plus 3. Y value applying this. 5 is equal to m is no change. X value what is here? Minus 2 and plus 3. 3 transpose this side. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is equal to what is here? Minus 2m. 5 minus 3 what is answer? 2. 2 is equal to minus 2m. Then m is equal to what is? 2 by minus 2. Cancel once. Therefore finally what is m value here? M is equal to minus 1. Here two times we did. One is using substitution method. Then again after getting x and y values we substituted in given equation. Y is equal to mx plus 3. From that what we got m value now? M is equal to minus 1. The remaining questions you have to solve.